What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. This is the unboxing of the Booty Sprout. Yes, so excited. Okay. Ow, it's heavy. Butt cramp, butt cramp, butt cramp. Ow. Okay, it's fine. It's all good. Fine. Let's see what we got. Okay. So I ordered. Whoa. Holy cow. That's strong. Okay. So that's the 70 pounds, sorry, not 75 pounds, 70. Let's see if we can get this out. Oh my god, is it already together? Oh. Yes, I'm dramatic. I know. So it's heavy. Comes in pretty good wrapping. It's $200, so it should. That's including the extra band that they bought. Okay. Feels like Christmas. In May. It'll kinda, and all the junk is put away. This, okay, opens nice. So it already comes assembled for the most part. And then this, does this come up? What does this do? What does this do? Maybe I do need the directions.
One eternity later.
And then it comes out. Oh, watch your fingers, because I bet. Then pull it again. So here it says Booty Sprout. That's so cute. What a cute name. And then has their little logo here. Super cute. It's about that big. So these are where the straps will go. Let's check it out. What is this one? That's the 70. We're not gonna do that one today because I am out of shape still. Okay, so we'll lock it in. I guess it's like a seat belt. Kinda. So we'll give that a try. Yes, I hope you guys can see this okay. Place my feet. Look silly. I guess they could have changed, but you know, why? Okay, I'm locked in. Holy cow. It's very restrictive, which is the point, right? And then okay. I kind of don't know what to do with my arms. But this is awesome. Okay, so I took a little walk slash run today up a huge hill. I didn't get any footage because I just didn't. So now, I love this. This is super comfortable. I'm gonna do 3 sets of 15 and then some split squats or Bulgarian squats and stretch a little bit and call it a day. That hill was huge. My buns are on fire. So we're just gonna take it off today. that really hurt. Holy cow. But so far, I'm loving the Broody Sprout. Broody Sprout. I actually really like it. I need to start using it more. I'm gonna start going up that big hill. It's right here, just out in my apartment, and huge. I found my dream house right at the top, of course. So I'm just gonna stretch out my butt, glutes, whatever. Oh my gosh. So I sit all day long at my desk. I have a standing option, but it's I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't have to wear a mask at my desk, but I feel like I should when I'm standing for some reason. It's so stupid. It's like you breathe in air, it's the same air on all the sides, but